Online, am I audible? Can you hear me? Online, am I audible? Can you hear me?
This meeting is being recorded.
Yes. Let's share everything. Good. Good evening, everyone. Good. How are you all? Fine. Nice. Now, let's see here. What did we discuss till now? Now, actually, in the last 2 days, we did our project. I will show you the project what we did, and we are going to discuss few more things today. The more and more. We will conclude our classes tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow will be our last day. Okay. Now, I will just go here. This is just for some kind of showing one related. Now, main project. Go to here index.html. Go live. What is the project we did, sir? In the project we did, I used one library, Swiper.js. I will use more and more libraries. I will make it more and more things here. Okay. And I can make it here more and more good. Now here in the home page, I just put it here top electronics products, top men's clothing products, top women's clothing products, top jewelry products. This is not looking nice, but you can make it look nice. Okay. You can use your own library. Sorry, you can use one library called Bootstrap. I'm using one library Bootstrap. See now Bootstrap, all you will give class name, text center, it will become center, perfect. Now it will become center, correct. Now, next one. After this, I told you to go to the products page. I will go here, products page. Go to the header. Where is header? Header. Inside the header, if anyone clicks the products, inside the nav, if anyone clicks the products, it will go to the products.html. Then why it is not going here? It's a drop down menu. Okay, because it's triggering to drop down menu, so that it will not have something kind of this anchor tag. Now here I will go. It's not text white, it's text black. And here I will write /products.html. So I will go here. If I click this, I will get electronics. Click here. Can you see I got it all the products? Now in this products, I will click here men's clothing, women's clothing, jewelry. First, how did you get all the products displayed here? I got it all the products automatically came here because I used here. I will just put class container, automatically it will come middle. Now I used one here, something API. I used it fetch to get it all the products by default. If I click here men's clothing, what will happen? Only men's clothing. If I go here women's clothing only. If I go here jewelry only. If I go here electronics, I will get only. However, the products I want, I can even put only those things, sir. Any doubts, ma online? Online, any doubts? No. Next, what more you did, sir? Sir, if you click here, men's casual, like any another one. Now go here, like I will take here slim shirt. I will open it. See, only slim shirt I can see one page. Sir, I open another product. Just, just for that jewelry, I can see one product. If I see this ring, only for this one I can see something. Did I created this many pages, ma? No. I created only one page. That page is going for all elements, all products. That is called dynamic routing. What is it called? And how it is possible, sir? Dynamic routing is possible because inside this URL, you will give question mark and you will give the product ID. Based on that product ID, it is displaying the data, right or not? In e-commerce websites, they will do this technique. I go to the e-commerce websites like Tata Click, and here actually it's heavily inspired from Tata Click only. For example, I'm clicking on bags. If you go here, it will show you all the women's bags. Now, can you see here? It is showing women's bags one particular point. Here, ICID, they are giving something called ICID. You can see it. Online voice is break. Online is voice is clear only, ma? Online is voice is clear only. For some people, it's breaking, I think. Remaining people, let me know. Now, if I open any another category, for example, I will open a category like t-shirts. I will open another category like home kitchen, something like dining room. If you see, all are having same template, na? They created only one thing, sir. That one only will change it for multiple, right or not? Okay. Sir, you open one product, sir. This product is looking like this. If I open another product also, it will look like same, na? Right or not? You open anything, it will show same template, but different values. How you will get different values? Because in the URL, they will mention each one IDs. Based on that, they will take, sir. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts, ma? No? No doubts? Now, now, next. Okay. Showing them is okay. Next, add to cart. If anyone click here, add to cart, sir. Why you it is showing cart 3? Because you are storing the items in the local storage. Earlier, yesterday I added 2, na? Local storage will be there only. If you store it in session storage, na, it will delete automatically. I am using in local storage, na. So these values will be there. So first I will clear whatever the values are there. Then it will work nicely. Now clear it. Now go here. Refresh it. Now, if I add, how many products I added, ma? One product. How many products? One. Now, if I go to cart page, that uh, oh, for cart page, I did not give any routing. I will go here, cart.html. Then I can able to see one product. If I go here, if I go to products page, if I go to slim shirt, and if I add one more, 2 products are there. Then if I go to cart.html, I should give it in the header only. Okay. Now, total how many products I added, ma? 2 products. Now, 2 products are added, sir. After adding the 2 products, all I have to do is show total how many total prices. What is total price here, dekho? 168 plus 15.99. I should show the total price and I should give you one option for checkout. You will go to checkout, payment gateways will come. Are you getting my point, sir? Online, any doubts, ma? No? These ones are very easy. Now, to find the total, actually, you can use one method called reduce. Did you remember one method called reduce, ma? Yesterday, we did one method called reduce. Not yesterday, like long before in the arrays topic. I will use a reducer. I will go here. I will just add it here in the main only. I will put here one div checkout. In that I will put here paragraph ID total, and I will put it here one button, checkout, class, BTN success, and I will go here, checkout, here I will have class, deflux, flux, uh, flux row, justify space between, and here you will have it everything in container, correct? Now, I will take this total one. I wanted to print the total values. Sir, let's write one function, sir. Now, all the items are inside one array. Can you see this? All the items are inside one array. What is the array name here? Cart items. Cart items contains the total value, sir. Now, for example, I will take here one array, one function, find total, which will take it one array of values. It should go here, array dot reduce. How do the reduce will work? If you see this program, in my program, I used for eaches, I used maps, I used filter, I used reduce. These things are heavily useful in real time. If you understand this one program, in that I used fetch, in that I used local storage, in that I used async awaits, multiple things we used it. Okay. Now reduce will take it two arguments. First one is callback function. Second one is initial value. What is the second one? Initially, what is the previous value, ma? Initially, what is the previous value? 0. Now, total answer, I will store it in const t. Now, I will store it here, document dot get element by ID. There is an ID called total. Inside the total, put this all values. Total dot text content equals to dollar plus t. Now, sir, how this one will work? To the people who don't know reduce, I will just show you here. Dekho. For example, in array, you have something called 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3. Now, first, 5 will be current value. Previous value initially 0. What is initially previous value? 0 plus 5. What is 0 plus 5? Because you are doing 0 plus 5 na? 5. So previous will become 5. Now what is the previous value? What is the current value now, Bolo? Correct. Now current value is 4. Now current value is 4. 5 plus 4. Then 9 will become previous value. If you remember, we did this. 9 will become previous value. What is the current value now? 3. Then 9 plus 3? 12. Same logic it will work. Every time instead of adding current is an object. So I will add current ka price value. Then total I will get the answer. Now, when you do these things, na, the moment you printed all these things, after this, I will call the find total. Find total. Ho gaya. Now you go here. Hey, where is the total ray? Huh? Document dot get element by ID total. There is an ID called total. Yes. Dot text content. Yes. T. Why it is not printed? You don't need append because you directly write in HTML only, na? Append bole to if you create in JavaScript. I did not create the element in JavaScript. I directly write it ERP. Now here, I printed all the elements. After printing it, I called find total. Oh, find total. I did not pass any array, na? I should pass array. If you don't give array, how it will find? Correct. Now, what is the total here? Write it here. Total. Total. Total is 183.99. You can use rounding methods if you remember. Do you guys remember, ma? You can use some kind of rounding methods if you wanted to use math methods or something kind of one. You can use. Okay. Or if you remember number methods, two precision. Initially we did in number methods, two precision kind of thing. You can use that also, your wish. Okay. I'm not doing anything kind of one. It will work. You can use math round or something. If you click this checkout, what should happen? If you click the checkout, what should happen? It should go to checkout page now. This is the checkout page. If you click checkout now, you should go to for payment. Proceed for payment and something kind of one. Now, anyway, before I go to this payment, sir, I will implement one more functionality called remove. I forgot to put the remove one now. Where is this remove? Remove cart. If anyone trying to uh, remove cart button dot add event listener, add event listener. I'm adding one event listener called click. If anyone click this button, remove, automatically I wanted to remove that element. Sir, how do you exactly find which element to delete? Dekho here, two elements are there, everyone. Here, imagine two elements are there. I click delete. Exactly second element I clicked, second element only should be deleted. How do you find difference between the two elements? Index. I know that ID is works. ID will also works. Index also works. My point is, I will choose index. Why? If you choose ID na, I should go to inside the array to find that array. Index is directly easy. Outside only you will get it. So second index में click कर दिया, second index delete करो. First index में click there, first index delete करो. Zero index में click कर दे, zero index delete करो. Simple. And do you know how to delete element using particular index? Online, anyone, online or offline, anyone can tell me what is the method you will use to delete a specific index in array. Splice. What is the method? Remembered? Array have some default method. Push, pop, splice, unshift, shift. We did na? That splice method I will use. So I will use one method called remove cart. One method I'm calling. For this remove cart, I'm passing one value. What is the value I'm passing? I. So go here, function, remove cart. Function remove cart. In this remove cart, what it will do? It will take one index. It will do cart items. In cart items, whatever the splice. If anyone forgot it, in splice you will give index and how many elements you want to delete. How many elements you want to delete? One. If you give second index comma one, only second index will be deleted. If second index comma two, second index, third index, two will be deleted. Right? Now I deleted, sir. After that array will be deleted na in that array. Then also update the local storage also, sir. You deleted here, it should be updated in everywhere na. So local storage dot set item. What is the name, sir? Original name? Products. What is the name? So products ka value change karo. Products is nothing but always you should give here stringified version of cart items. I'm just updating the original value also. Okay. If you update it, always it will work nicely. Nice. Next, after updating it, sir, whenever you remove this, total also should change na? Find the total again. Find total cart items. Because sir, you deleted something. Then also total should change now if you deleted. Now go here. Delete this men's casual shirt. What is the total now? 168. Sir, price is, it is deleted, but can you see this? You can see the item now. If it is deleted, it is showing it. If you refresh only, it's not showing. So, sir, problem is if you deleted it, call the display data one more time. Display data one more time. Telling it like, do it one more time, printing the data, whatever are there. Now it will work. Delete. Oh, why it is not showing Ray? When I click delete, it should call display data one more time. Main div dot text content initially empty. Then it will work. Go to the products page. Go back, go back. Go to this gold one, something, silver one. Click here, one item is added. And go back, go down, add this SanDisk, add it to the cart. 109 rupees, very bad. Now let's go here. Cart.html. How many products are there? 2. I got the total 804 rupees. Let's click the 605. Someone asked it like, sir, I wanted to put one quantity, two quantities. You can put that also now. Same logic, na? If I put it one, by default, everyone will have one quantity. Imagine I put it two quantity. Automatically total should change. Only total will change, na? Nothing will happen. So for every product, you should also add one more attribute called quantity. That's it. Any doubts, ma? You observe multiple websites and check it on how they are working on. Based on that, you can implement it, sir. Online, any doubts are there, ma? Online, any doubts? Now, sir, last but not least, how do you go to proceed to payment? You know, actually, payment, you will use Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, right? Everything you need to take your own API. For example, Phone Pay people will give one API. You can integrate Phone Pay API. Only Phone Pay will work. Paytm you can put it. Only Paytm will work. All credit cards, Visa will give one Visa credit cards, RuPay will give RuPay credit card, Master will give Master credit cards. But sir, I don't want it to put one by one because it will be risky. You use something called payment integration. Some third party payment gateways are there. They call payment gateways. What are they called? Payment gateway APIs are there like Razorpay. Popular payment gateways are, you can use it whatever you like. Razorpay or PayU or Razorpay, PayU or Instamozo, or most famous one actually in worldwide people use Stripe. See, people will think in real time they will build their own payment. No, never. Every website will use other third party only. For example, have you ever used ChatGPT, ma? Imagine I wanted to go for ChatGPT. I wanted to buy ChatGPT premium. I will go to ChatGPT. I wanted to buy the premium. ChatGPT is OpenAI na? Now I will go here, ChatGPT 1. When I go try to get the premium one, then ChatGPT will open their payment gateway into something similar to Stripe. This one. This one is powered by the Stripe. You can see down it is Stripe actually. Do you think ChatGPT cannot build their own payment gateway? Yes, they can build it. But in real time, no one will do that. Why? Believe me, companies don't want you to create something already existed. Sir, payment gateway we need. Create your own payment gateway. No one will ask in company. Company will be like, payment gateway hai na? I will buy. You just integrate it nicely. Building your own is waste of time. If you want TV, we will buy. You just go for settings. That's what the real developers do. Sir, I wanted to do OTPs. No, you will not develop. There are some OTPs. For example, Twilio is there API. You will use Twilio API. The company will buy the subscription. They will give you API key. You will integrate them. That's it. Someone will come to your website. They will ask, give phone number. You will give that phone number to Twilio. Twilio will give OTP, send OTP. Twilio will send that OTP to you and to that. Okay, it will send you as a response. It will give you one promise and then you will give response. In that response, you will check whatever the OTP that guy mentioned, is it correct or not? But who sends them? Twilio. Or like there are so many other party, third parties APIs. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? In React class demo, it said something word, it starts with P. Is it promise you are saying? No. No. Same way, like someone is asking it what is jQuery and all. They are libraries, ma. You can use any libraries you like. jQuery, I think we discussed jQuery, na? Similarly, jQuery, you can put any library you like. There are so many libraries. When you use multiple libraries, for example, I love to use one library called AOS, animate on scroll. Whenever I do animations, whenever I scroll, automatically animations will come. Now, sir, how to use it? Go there, go to their documentation, go down. They will give CDN link. A copy kar CDN link ka. Go here. I will take here CDN links. This is CSS ka link. And then JavaScript ka link. At the end, I will put some JavaScript ka link. So if you go to any library, it will give official documentation. In that official documentation, you read them, how they will tell you to do. Like for example, they give write it aos.init, and in the init, you can even pass optional values like this. And all you need to give something called data aos. That's it, na? So I will try it. Go here, go to JavaScript, index dot original one is script.js. So I will write it here aos dash init. See, for aos library, I write init. For JS query, for jQuery, did I write any init? No. I used swiper. Did I write any init? No. Because each documentation alag rahta. You should read that particular library. Now they also told me if you wanted any swiping animation, go and give that animation one class name. Okay, I will check it. I wanted uh, something like this. Flip zoom in. I want data dash AOS zoom in. I want. Okay, these are data attributes. I will give one data attribute. Go to index.html. I will give this data attribute to go here where I will give which one I want for this after slider. Whatever the elements are there, for all elements, I will give this. For this section, I will give zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. I will just check it. Is it working or not? Go here. Sir, this pavilion. What this pavilion, re? Oh, Online, any doubts you can tell me. Now, go to home page. Everyone see in the home page. Can you see here? Everyone, dekho. Whenever I go to the scroll, whenever I scroll that point, it will come zoom effect because I put some class, some data attribute. Now, dekho. Can you see it? Zooming effect is coming. Now, dekho here. Everyone see it here. Now, after this, why it is not coming? This one's. This one zoom effect came. When I come this one, why it is not coming? It should come now. Did I was Jamin? Huh? Not class. It should have data AOS only. It's correct only. Whatever the element you give data dash AOS, it should work automatically. Someone is asking, can you tell how the cart count is increasing? Can you see how the cart count is increasing? Whenever I click add to cart, it is working one function called add to cart. In that add to cart, I added the product. So whatever the product I added the product to local storage. First, I will check is local storage having any products. If it is not having, give it empty. If it is there, push it. After pushing it, I updated the count. Can you see? Literally, I write it in products array. How many length is there? Give that to count. I wrote that function. So indirectly, you are taking initially zero is there. That in that place, in array, how many products are there? Uska length de do. Two products are there, two length. Simple. I thought it will zoom in automatically, but this one is zooming. This one is not zooming in. It should work. But check on, like animate on scroll will work whenever you scroll that particular point actually. Nice websites will use this actually. So many nice websites are there which will use some animation. Whenever you come to that point, it will scroll. Okay. Or there is some library. Yesterday I showed you one animated library. Something like Vanta.js. It will give you backgrounds. Nice backgrounds it will give. Now, sir, I want this background. Copy kar pura. Go here. I will put it inside the cart page. And you don't need to write it script here. You don't need to put it here. Script here. You will write this too here in cart HTML. So always if you use these libraries now, but only problem is when you use multiple libraries like me, your website will become slow. Obviously. Okay. Now whole body of my website, I will give something called ID, BD. I will give it here for whole BD, give the selector. I hope you all know what I'm doing it. If I go to my website, I want this effect. Go to this men's casual, add it. Two products are there. Go to cart.html. Uy, why it is not printing, re? Vanta is not defined. Hmm, cart.js, control X. Go here in the script only. I added this now, Vanta. Then why it is not working? Let me give it here in the last script. Maybe it will work. No, it's not working still. Refuse to execute from this particular one because it's a MIME type, text or not executable. Strict MIME type checking is enabled. And so where is this C? Dekho. They gave me local one. Did they give it like CDN link ma? No. They did give normal one. That is wrong. So I should check this CDN link of Vantabirds. Go here. This is a local files they are giving. Now go here. Include files from CDN. I will go here CDN links. I will go here. This one I want. Copy this link. Instead of this link, I will give this link. And same way, 3JS also CDN links. Where is this 3JS something they want? Copy, put it here. Now it will work because I should give CDN links. I should not give local links. Go here, go to HTML, body. For body, I will give style, height, 100 VH, and whatever the elements it's showing, sir, text should be text white. It will work then. Are you getting my point, sir? See, sir, why you can't see this text now? Because they are different colors. If I give text color white, it will work. Are you getting my point, sir? All you will give is title dot text white here. Title dot class list dot add white. Simple. Oh, why it is? Oh, not white. Class name is text dash white. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you getting my point? Yeah. Someone is asking what is vanilla JS. Whatever the JavaScript you learned till now is called vanilla JS. What is it called? Vanilla JS means standard JavaScript. Okay. There are so many other JavaScripts like React JS. It's a library. Or Angular JS. It's a framework. Or jQuery. It's a library. You have Ember JS, something, something. So many JavaScripts are there. But original starting JavaScript, which you will write it document.getElement by ID kuch bhi, that is called vanilla JS. Clear, ma? No. Now you can even do this kind of crazy things. If you are doing portfolio, these things will actually give you nice. But you should check it your own libraries. There are so many libraries which are available in the internet. Now, if you check it here, JS libraries count. Now here, now for DOM manipulation, we have 107, but actually original NPM have so many. Okay. If I give total NPM packages in future, you will do, if anyone knows React or something, they will understand there is something called NPM node package manager, NPM package list. You will have it like more than some kind of, or count, right? NPM packages. How many NPM packages? You will have millions actually. 2.1 million packages are there. As per 2022. Now it will become more than 3 point. There are so many packages which you can use it in the real world. Is it clear, ma? You can use it for e-commerce also. So many packages that are there, like for zooming kind of one product, zoom library JS, image zoom library JS, something called JS image zoom. I will just see. Can you see this? Did you ever see this kind of thing? When you go to one product now, on that product image, you can do that now. This also you can do in JavaScript. There are so many other things. Okay. Now, something like Zoomify. I don't know. They are just showing it some kind of cursor. It's not loaded, but you can check it on. There are so many other, for example, particles JS is there. Particles JS is there. If you go to this, you will get particles background. This kind of only this. Okay. Or or TS particles. If you go to this TS particles, whenever see these kind of things, crazy ones, you can do this. If I click this, whenever I click the button, whenever I see this, these kind of things you can make it using this library. Like you can make it some kind of big circles, confettis. So many crazy things will be there. Let me go here, demo. Now, if you wanted to get this kind of effects, you can try it. How to use it? You wanted to use anything, sir. If you wanted to use any of these effects, all you have to do is go to that particular CDN link, go to the particle.js CDN link and go for their documentation. I will go here, read their documentation in React, normal JavaScript. Where is this JavaScript? Astro, Ember, React, Infrared, jQuery, Svelte, WordPress, Element. Hey, where is original JavaScript? Right? Go here, API docs. Now here they will show you one by one. You should read their documentation, take their CDN link. They go here, CDN link. You will take their CDN link, I think. For example, for confetti one, this is the CDN link. You go there, you take that particular CDN link and paste it into your website and then check it what is the effect. Or you can use npm install also. Then that particular effect you can put it. Just if you read it one more time, you can even put it that. Are you getting my point, sir? Next, any other libraries? Did you guys explore any nice libraries? Did you guys check any libraries and wanted to get it? Like, these are the libraries I know. I know some libraries like, did I told you chart.js? For charts, you will use chart.js. If I want to put chart, I can use chart.js. See, everything which I'm telling, these things will help you to better your project. Okay, you can use it. Charts will come. Or am for chart. See, am for chart. Am charts. Am charts are also nice charts only. If I use am charts, all you will do is using the JavaScript, put it the CDN link. These are CDN links. Keep the CDN links and whatever the charts you want it. For example, I wanted to get this chart like mm, where is this chart? Word cloud. See something like this. I want to put it something word clouds, or I want to put it a map. I will go here. I will see some maps. Whatever the maps I want it. Those kind of maps also I can put. Where are the maps? They should show some demo, na? They go like this. If I want to show any maps, I can use that. I can use a maps like this using that. Online, someone is giving me some nice ones. Let me check it. Kinsta. I don't know what it is actually. Kinsta. Yes. JavaScript. Kinsta.js. What is this? Read our. No. Kinsta is not a JavaScript library, I think. It's just an page website. It's a blog, I think. Then it will not work. Someone is saying Popper. Popper will work olden times. Now Popper is already mixed with Bootstrap. GSAP is very good library. You can use GSAP for animations. GSAP is excellent. If you know GSAP, na, you can create awesome websites. See like this. Sir, if you wanted to see crazy websites, there is one website. There is one website called Awards. Everyone see, there is one website. You noted down these websites now, everyone. Awards. If I open this awards website, in this website, really nice, beautiful websites will be there. Nice views, beautiful websites will be there. Someone Leaflet. Leaflet is actually good library for charts and all. Leaflet is good. Maps, charts. Now, if I go here, see some crazy websites. They will put it here in this one. I wanna open any one website. These websites are awards. Awards will contain so many sites. Every day they will give you nice inspiration. This is for inspiration. For example, I wanted to check it, portfolio sites. I want to check it here, some kind of someone's portfolio, then visit their site. Let's open here. See, it's like crazy, really. Okay. See, when I put it, it's changing it. Okay. Now let's go here. Scroll, sign, exist. Oh. No, maybe I'm not designer, but I didn't like this. It's too confusing to me. But it's up to them. Whatever they do, design their wish. This effect is mostly used. People, see, when I'm going here, can anyone tell me when I go this, what is happening? How to do this? Huh? Dekho, Telegram is there, na? Whenever I put my mouse over the Telegram letters are changing. So first on hover, whenever you put on mouse over, they are doing one function. In that function, what they are doing, they are taking all elements of the particular string. In string, all elements are in an array, na? They will take them and they will put random order. In random order, they will show. This like matrix kind of thing. Have you seen in matrix kind of thing? Like these ones are like some kind of matrix only. All the things are doing in JavaScript only. How you will do? Like, see, if you wanna see it like any websites are how they are working, Vapalizer. Now see, you can able to see which one they are using. They are using GSAP. They are using 3JS. There is one extension called Vapalizer. I think I told you before also. If I go to this Vapalizer, it will tell you. So then I will explore. Oh, something called GSAP, something called 3JS they are using. Nice. And they gave me something called Ambrico. What is this Ambrico? Then you will search in internet. You will get an idea. Are you getting my point, ma? When you read different websites, how they build, you will get it a nice inspiration, ma. For nice inspiration, I would like to suggest site called awards.com or one page love. If you wanted to create single page websites like portfolio, most people create single page. That is called onepage love.com. If I go here, one page now, only one page websites will be there. The web pages which are done with only single page. Go here. I will just open some simple projects. Someone built this site, which is very simple. Background gradients. They put some video here. They put some kind of video here, autoplay. They put here some video. This one is also video actually. Don't think it like something more is happening. Simple. This one is scrolling. You can put it. Now you go here, you go to any topic ma. We discussed every topic in the JavaScript. Now all I want you to practice it. See, the JavaScript topics, if we discuss it in one day, it will not be completed. You need to do it again and again and again and again. Initially, it was designed for some 30 days course, but actually we did it JavaScript only more than 40 days. We thought it like initially I will complete it whole thing kind of, 2 months, but it was course ended for 3 months because something like in middle Christmas is there, something Pongal is there. I want you to create some beautiful sites. After HTML, CSS, I built one website. After Bootstrap, I built one website. After HTML, CSS, JavaScript, I built one website. And this course, I also taught you how to do Git and GitHub. I don't know how many of you tried it. But if you are all able to push into Git and GitHub, if you are all able to create one website just by HTML, CSS, it will work. Are you getting my point, ma? Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? And also do freelancing. I will tell you tomorrow, like in freelancing and all you have to do. Okay. Any other doubts you have? Mostly one page love and awards. I will go for this. Someone get the interview questions. I will tell you. Best way to practice coding is there are two ways. First one is building the project. Building the projects and websites are the first best way. I will build it like this. Like for example, I will open this DeepSeek. Sir, your wish. ChatGPT also you can prefer it. There are no problems in it. Okay. I will use it. Now go here. Now go here. Let me start it here. Give me project ideas which I can build, which I can build using just HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript. Make projects creative and interesting. Now it will give me one ideas. It will give some ideas. In that ideas, I will pick some. Now let's ask it. Now it will give me some ideas. See, never ask code. Never ask code to GPTs because GPTs will give 90% worst code. Now ask the GPTs whatever the thing is. Okay. Always it is slow, DeepSeek. I don't know why. Now see, someone is like you can build something like interactive personal portfolio. If you remember, we already did that. Someone is like, okay, build some to-do game, to-do list with the drag and drop. Nice idea. Memory card game, easy. Weather app, we did that. Drawing app, you can try. Quiz, music player, infinite scroll gallery, or Pomodoro timer. Okay, Pomodoro timer is like the countdown. Pomodoro timer means like countdown. Or expense tracker, typing speed test, rock, paper, scissors, hangman game. Now I will select any one of the three websites and then I will build those three websites really. line by line, step by step, you will do it. Are you getting my point, ma? This is the best way to practice. Like ultimatum. Sir, I wanted to build, choose one project. For example, tell me here, for example, sir, I wanted to build something kind of, uh, you know, I wanted to build here. We did some things also actually. Random code generator I did, countdown timer I did, okay, portfolio I did, small things we also did, to-do list also we did. Now I wanted to build some kind of here color palette generator I wanted to create. Then ask it like how to create this color palette generator step by step. Give me instructions. Then it will give me instructions. I will follow it line by line, word to word, letter by letter. Are you getting my point, ma? For example, sir, somewhere you stuck, you didn't understand it. You can ask the GPT or you can come to me. You can ask me, sir, it said something like this. Is it correct? You can even Google it. What is it? Believe me, if you do two projects like that, it will be ultimatum for you. The problem with the most of the freshers are they wanted everything on their hand. Some people really build in, even in this class, some people really build nice applications. But most people are like, you give the project, we will just put it in the resume. That's it. That doesn't work. Are you getting my point, ma? Just by coming to the class, it doesn't make any difference. Like you should, practice it kind of thing. If you are going for your portfolio or if you are going for resume, in resume, try to mention some kind of crazy ideas. Put it like your e-commerce site. E-commerce should be niche, something nice e-commerce website or some kind of e-commerce website will work or generators. I love generators ideas. Go with generators. What is a generator idea is like, for example, I will put here one div. In this div, I will put one background color. Immediately, I will click here one button, generate. Automatically, it will show me one generator and it will show it like what is the CSS code for this. CSS code is div, bg color and whatever it is. Are you getting my point, ma? When you do this, automatically it will generate CSS code or HTML code, something kind of one. Generators are good. Easiest way is documentation site. Do you know documentation sites? Arey, you all know W3 schools, na? You all know W3 schools, na? Build it a simple W3 school, a chota W3 school. What you will have? Only HTML. Like for example, I will open the W3 schools, right? Then, like they call HTML. What you will have, sir? Coach, left side, put it all the home page. Here all HTML topics are there. If you click on it, na, only that particular one will come, that particular page. In that, you will explain about HTML attributes and all. Right or not? You will write it here, all the things. If anyone wants, you will, it's just a matter, na? So, this is very simple. If you created one page, na, same like I used one page for all products, you will create one page. That page only you will use it for all. Every page will have different data. Sir, I will create it a DOM like HTML attribute whenever someone click. Only for attributes, I will show one page. One thing. Like that one documentation website. Someone comes to your website, they will read anything for HTML. If they wanted to know any simple HTML one, they will understand it. Are you getting my point, ma? There are so many websites which will work for that actually. Okay. Uh, web dev reference documentation something, some kind of sites are there. I don't think this one. Where is DevDocs? I think DevDocs. See this DevDocs, how much easy it is. I want HTML left side, HTML click karo. In HTML, you click particular one. And if you wanted to go to that particular one, it will tell you what is how to use it. Simple. And you use your own intelligence. How much nice, beautiful animated show. Show it how much you can. 4 5 people create it, one website, and people love it, that website. Are you getting my point, ma? That is, this one will work, ma. If you put this one, na, crazy website it is. Next, UI verse. Have you ever seen this website like UI verse? Like for example, sir, I wanted to create it some kind of animation like this. I click here. Automatically it is giving me HTML and CSS code. Can you see this? Right now? Now I will create one website. In that website already I will put all the animations, whatever I know. I will check it in Google. In Google, so many code is there available. I will put that code into my website. If anyone wants this particular animation, I will show their code. Simple. Sir, is it a big deal, ma? No. It's showing all the animations. Someone wants this animation. They will click that animation. Automatically, they will get the code of that. How do you know that the code? You will only put it this animation, this code HTML, this code CSS. It will show same template. Can you see that? Are you getting my point, sir? Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you getting my point? If not this much big, you can even create a simple one also, like CSS buttons library. If you don't want this much big also, Chota sites. Now, this is a Chota website. In this website, what is there? Nothing. All buttons, all types of buttons they will put. Now, if you want this button, go there, get it here. Automatically, it will show. Is it having this website having anything? No. In this website, they put images. If you wanted to click get code, automatically it's going into different website only. See this website, how much simple it is. They put it all the things, whatever they find it in internet, they put all these things. And sir, I wanted this button. This website will not show. This website is like, if you want to get the code, go to that website. So it's like a collection of all the nice websites. These collection websites are there in internet. So many collection websites are there. Those things will really help. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, are you getting my point? Try to create something really useful. Okay. AI tools, resources, AI tools, hunt. Now, I go to one website. I know this. Now, I go to this website. In this website, all the AI tools are there. That's it. If I wanted to know any AI tool, it's there. But do they create any AI tool? No. Whatever the AI tools are there, those AI tools, they will just put it here. That's it. And I want you to put one website which will refer all the things. Like all the JavaScript libraries. I'm telling you so many libraries now. Put it one website which will contain list of any library you want or any API you want. Are you getting my point, ma? Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Do something useful. Tell first to find the problem. Find the problem, sir. One problem is there. Like most of the freshers don't know how to create resume. Put one website. In that website, you will show all the nice resumes. You will put all the templates. You will tell all the nice things. You will write nice articles. You will put nice posts. You will show nice images. If anyone come to that website, read that things, automatically they will understand how to create a nice resume. Simple. It won't take much time, na? So you create any website, that website should have some simple reason. It need not to be bigger. Don't think it like websites needs to be something so big and all. No. Websites will be 90% of the times very small. Most of the websites I know are very small. Now, I will use something called web resources. Website resources or something kind of one. I forgot that name. But that website is also something good only. anything you want websites, that websites it will show some kind of resources. Any other doubts? Any other doubts you have? Online, any other doubts you have, ma? I will push today JavaScript interview questions into the Git. I will just give you JavaScript interview questions also. Those interview questions also you can have a read, and in case if you get a doubt also later we will discuss. Now, someone is asking any good website for practicing coding. For practicing coding, you will create your own project or you will use something called lead code. What you will use, ma? Sir, if you think lead code is higher level, use free code camp. Use free code camp. Use free code camp. You can use free code camp. You can use lead code or free code camp, lead code, or which website? Front end mentor. You can do front end mentor na. That will be a good challenge. Take one challenge, sir. Now you know JavaScript also. Now you don't need to worry. Like someone gave me this design. I wanted to create this design in JavaScript. Exact thing I wanted to create. Create it. If anyone type it here, automatically total characters, total word count, total sentence count, you can print that. How do you know word count? Word counts will be nothing but whenever space comes. How do you know sentence count? Whenever the full stop comes. Full stop will be there for every sentence. How do you know total characters? String dot length. Right or not? You can do that even now, which is very easy. Online, is it clear, ma? Someone is asking, sir, can you suggest any alternative for deploying apps? For deploying application, use Netlify. But sir, if Netlify, if third party Netlify people are not allowing you, you can use something called AWS. Netlify is the easiest one. You can use AWS or you can use GitHub. What you can use? GitHub also will have it default one. If you go to there, if you type it in internet, GitHub pages, it will work. GitHub pages. You can install whatever you like. Just type it here, GitHub pages, you will understand it, how it will work. GitHub pages is one of the nice way. If you watch 10 minutes video, they will tell you how to use GitHub pages, which is very easy. Sir, if I open your GitHub profile, mostly people will go, your profile, sir. In your profile, they will check on this. How many times, how many commits you are doing it. Are you getting my point, ma? And also, the only tip which I am giving to you, everyone, whatever things you are doing it, please post it somewhere, LinkedIn or dev.to or Hashnode. People will know that you are existing, right? You are a developer, you are doing. So if somewhere you will post it, it will give you something good reach in future. Any doubts, ma, online? Tomorrow we'll discuss your question and answers also. Someone gave their GitHub. This is really good profile. Okay, nice, nice. They have very minimal, but still not a bad. He did something calculator app. He did something like to-do list. Total stars 0, but total commits are only 34 in 2025. That's good. It's still starting. You can increase it more. Create a profile. This is your main profile. Create your own profile. This one is good. Any other, ma? Tomorrow I will tell you how to put your resumes, how to start your job, what is React, what is Angular, which one you will choose, how to go with your career. Okay, all the other things. And you can ask me those questions also, which we will discuss in tomorrow one. And I will give you interview questions, which you can see it. Yeah, that's it. Mostly it's done. Any other doubts you have, ma? Online or offline? Any other questions you have? Take my project and implement it something better. That's it, ma. Yeah. You can leave if you have no doubts. Online, any doubts are there? Nikita, online, anyone have any doubts? Tomorrow is last, ma. Yes. The document websites, the large data write in paragraph or upload any documents. You need to write it in a large data of paragraphs. That will help. If you upload any documents, na, it will take it like Zoom. That paragraph has to read that. It will not work. But you can write that only. It will be good. After tomorrow, there will be no class. Yes, no class. That's it, ma. That's it for today. Thank you all. Thank you.